When it comes to home improvement, one of the most overlooked yet crucial upgrades is door replacement. Your doors, whether they are entryways, interior doors, or patio doors, serve a significant role in your home's functionality, security, and curb appeal. If you're a homeowner in Brandon, replacing old or damaged doors can transform the look and feel of your home. Professional door replacement services offer an array of benefits that go far beyond mere aesthetics. Enhanced security. One of the most compelling reasons to invest in professional door replacement services is the security it provides. Doors are your home's first line of defense against intruders, and over time, they can become worn, weakened, or even damaged. A professional door replacement ensures that you have the latest, most secure door models available, such as reinforced steel or advanced locking mechanisms that keep your home safer from break-ins. Additionally, professional door fitters understand the importance of proper installation, making sure that your new door is perfectly sealed and resistant to tampering. Improved energy efficiency. Old doors, especially those that are warped, cracked, or have damaged seals, can allow drafts into your home, leading to increased energy bills. Whether you're heating or cooling your home, an inefficient door allows the air to escape, making your HVAC system work harder than it needs to. Professional door replacement services in Brandon can help you choose energy-efficient doors designed with modern materials and insulation. These doors help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reduce your reliance on heating and cooling systems, and lower your monthly energy costs. Increased curb appeal. Your doors play a key role in the first impression people have of your home. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply want to give it a fresh new look, replacing outdated or worn-out doors is an easy way to increase curb appeal. Professional door replacement services can help you choose doors that complement your home's style, whether it's a classic, modern, or contemporary look. A stylish entry door can dramatically enhance the visual appeal of your property and make it stand out in the neighborhood, potentially increasing its resale value. Better functionality. Old or poorly maintained doors often come with a variety of issues. They may stick, squeak, or become difficult to open and close. This can be frustrating and sometimes even a safety concern if the door doesn't function properly in an emergency. A professional door replacement ensures that your new doors will operate smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're replacing interior or exterior doors, you can rest assured that they will be properly aligned, easy to use, and won't become a hassle over time. Customization to match your style. One of the best things about opting for professional door replacement services is the opportunity to customize your doors to match your personal style and the overall aesthetic of your home. Professional services offer a wide range of door materials, colors, finishes, and hardware options, allowing you to choose the perfect design that fits your vision. Whether you want a bold, statement-making front door or a sleek, minimalistic interior door, the professionals in Brandon can help bring your ideas to life. This level of customization ensures that your doors aren't just functional, but also contribute to the overall ambiance of your home. Long-term durability. When you choose a professional service for door replacement, you're investing in long-lasting quality. Professional installers use top-quality materials and precise installation techniques to ensure that your new doors are durable and built to last. This means fewer maintenance issues and a longer lifespan for your doors, saving you money in the long run. You can also benefit from warranties on the products and services, offering added peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Time and effort savings. Replacing doors may seem like a simple DIY task, but it often involves a lot more than meets the eye. Proper measurements, the right tools, and expertise are required to ensure the job is done right. Professional door replacement services take the hassle out of the equation by handling everything from door selection to installation. They also work efficiently, meaning the job gets done quickly and with minimal disruption to your daily life. You'll save time, effort, and stress by leaving the door replacement to the experts. Conclusion. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's security, boost energy efficiency, or improve its overall appearance, professional door replacement services in Brandon offer a variety of advantages. With their expertise, you can ensure that your doors are properly installed, long-lasting, and perfectly suited to your needs. From the added value to the peace of mind that comes with knowing the job was done right, replacing your doors with the help of professionals is an investment that pays off in both the short and long term.